Welcome. So I'm going to show you step by step how you can set up an automatic Webflow blog. Essentially what this is you're connecting AI, in this case journalist AI, with your Webflow blog. Let's say this is your Webflow blog, right? And the AI is automatically generating, right, plus posting and indexing blog posts on your site. So these are individual blog posts posted to your site, right, generated with the AI, posted to your site automatically, and then we'll submit it to Google, all this autopilot, to index them in Google. Now, on top of that, it also will syndicate your posts automatically to your brand's social media, right? Your LinkedIn page, your Facebook page, your Twitter page, so all these done automatically for you. Now, if you want to give it a step further, you can even automate this to do the keyword research for you. So the AI will tell you which keywords you should be producing content for. So again, I'm going to show you step by step how to automate this and essentially how to have an automatic AI Webflow blog. So first things first is you go to tryjournalist.com, right? You forget about all this and just scroll down to integrations, right? Click new integration and then click Webflow, right? Here, this might seem quite daunting, but it's quite simple, right? You just name your integration whatever you want. So let's call it my Webflow site. And then you have to get your API token. Now, this is super easy to do. If you have any questions, you've seen our settings in Webflow, but just click here to watch tutorial and you'll, in 30 seconds, be able to get this API token and add it here, right? Once it's added, you have access to this feature, right? Publish or draft. What does this mean, right? This means that once you activate your integration, right, the AI will automatically, like I said, send the blog posts to your blog. So from the AI to your Webflow site, right? But it can send them in draft form, so you can approve them in your dashboard manually, or you can send them, in published form. So you don't have to approve them manually, right? So you can choose whichever one you want. I recommend you just do publish, so the AI will automatically publish to your site. But again, if you want to go through the blog post in your Webflow dashboard and approve them manually, you can do so as well. Just make sure to toggle this off, right? Once that's done, hit create and then go to Autoblogs, right? New Autoblog, and this is where the fun begins, right? You name your Autoblog. Let's name this my Webflow site niche A, right? I select how many blogs I want to generate, right, and produce, and I select the frequency of the posting every month, week, day, 12 or 6 hours. I select my integration, which should be my Webflow integration that we just created. I hit enable and I click create new Autoblog. Now, before that, of course, we have to set up a preset. And what a preset is, if I go here to presets real quick, a preset is essentially the input you're giving to the AI to be able to produce the blog posts. And actually before that, let me show you what the output of this AI is, right? These are the types of articles that this AI is able to generate. If I go here to my history tab and I click this one right here, this is an article that I've generated in the golden retriever niche, so the dog grooming niche. These are all done with AI, right? The featured image, the interactive table of contents, the proper content structuring with key takeaways, in-article images, proper content structure again, bullets, tables, quotes, right? External links, more images, in-article videos that are relevant to what the content is about. Again, this works for any niche, not just dog grooming. Internal links, external links, more content structure right here. I can skim through these. I can, of course, just skim through these and publish them one by one to my site by clicking here, or I can just publish them all at once. But you want an Autoblog, right? Which is what we're doing right here. So again, you go to Autoblogs, new Autoblog, and you select your presets here. Now again, what are presets? Presets are the inputs you're giving the AI to generate articles just like ones you saw before. So go to presets, new preset, and this is all the info that you need to give to the AI, and you can save it as a preset so that your Autoblog, which runs based on a preset, right, automatically, right, generates plus posts content straight to your blog, and then of course it syndicates it to your social media. To do this, it's quite simple. Just go here, down here, and enable your social media accounts, just connect them. It's quite straightforward, right? So the better the input, the better the output, right? So this is all the input you need to give to the Autoblog. So click videos. Do you want videos in your articles? Yes. Enable this. Do you want images? Yes. In our featured images? Yes. In article images? Yes. What type of images do you want? Just select them here. AI based or non AI based, right? If you do select AI based, you can have prompts, so make them look realistic, illustrative, black and white. You can play around with this. Internal and external linking. Do you want external linking? So again, do you want your articles, as you saw before, to have links, right, scattered throughout them, linking out to other authoritative sources in your niche, right? If you do, just enable this. Internal link, do you want your articles, right? Because you're going to be posting a lot of articles to your blog, right? Do you want them to interlink between each other, right, in a way that makes sense? If you do, just enable this. So external, enable this real quick. Boom, that's done. There's a bunch of advanced features right now, which I won't cover right now. Internal linking is quite simple. Just add your sitemap right here. Add sitemap. I'll just show you how this looks like because I can test and preview. So these are all the internal links on my site. So this is how I set up the internal linking structure. You can play around with this, enable and disable all these sections. You can select the article length. You can even add a custom call to action, which is quite powerful. Formatting, you can enable and disable bold words, tables, quotes. Knowledge, you can connect this to the web if you want, so the articles are up to date. You can even connect your brand so that the content that's generated by the AI isn't generic, right? It's brand tailored, brand specific, using your brand's tone of voice, your brand's mannerisms, your brand's images. A very, very powerful feature, so you're able to produce non-blend, non-generic AI content. Speaking of content, the content tab allows you to select over 150 different languages. So if you're targeting international markets, this is quite powerful. You can select the target country, select the creativity level, so more factual or correct, or more original or creative. This will depend, of course, on how you want your brand to be perceived. You can change the tone of voice, point of view, like you can play around with all this. And finally, the base. Easy generation mode. It can be the content, of course, can be generated based on the description, based on titles, or based on keywords, or based on a keyword monitor. Which, if you scroll down here to keyword monitor real quick, essentially what this is you're giving the AI your URL, your target country, and target language, and will give you a list of keywords, right, with difficulty and the monthly searches. Sorry, you can have the AI generate content based on these keywords. Like I said before, you're connecting the AI with your Webflow blog, right, and it's doing the keyword research for you. Then the content generation, then the content publishing, and also the content indexing, and then, of course, the content syndication to your social media platforms. Regarding indexing, just go here to indexers, new indexer, and just connect your Google Search Console, and that's done. That's all you have to do. Social media, just go here to social media, click new social media, and you can connect your Facebook, Twitter. Soon you'll be able to connect LinkedIn, Pinterest, and other social medias. But that's it. That's a rapid-fire tutorial on how to set up, step-by-step, an automatic Webflow blog. If you have any questions, let me know. But the site is tryjournalist.com. I'll leave it in the description. I'll also leave it in the pinned comment down below. Thank you so much for watching, and again, I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.